This is the J-Klipz. It is a spring steel clip for forming concrete. This is about our 5th generation. We liked our first generation. Most everybody liked our first generation. However, I wasn't satisfied with it, so we kept improving it, and this is what we came up with. It replaces nails on the forms. It's adjustable up and down. It makes it possible for one person to form a slab, and that's basically what it is. I developed this while watching some concrete contractors pour a slab for me on a remodel job I was doing, and I noticed that about 75% of their labor was involved in setting the forms. About 25% of their labor was involved finishing concrete. So I figured if there's a way to do that faster, it means better profit for the contractor, lower cost for the homeowner. Here's a demonstration of the J-Klipz system. It's a spring steel clip. It just snaps onto the stakes. Just 1, 2, 3. In the old days, we'd put our 2x4s down there. We'd have to drive nails. A lot of times that would take 2, sometimes 3 guys, one to hold the wood, one to hold the nail and hammer, and one to hold the sledgehammer on the back sides for your impact. These, we just spring, snap them on. Basically, after the layout's done, this is a one-man job. You'll note I'm not worried about the height. These are fully adjustable. We can adjust the whole setup after we're done. I'll give you a demonstration of that as soon as we get these all on. This system comprised of the J-Klipz. It comes in sizes for bender board, 3/8 bender board, 1¼ inch material, and 2x4 material. Once again, all these clips are spring steel, reusable. They can be used up to 15, 20 jobs, no problem. Every time you pour with J-Klipz, this is going to put money in your pocket. All of our 2x4s, you'll note I'm not worried about the length. I'll show you that in just a second. When we put all of our 2x4s in here, our material can be a little short or a little long. Our J-corners are going to make it possible to form this without cutting our material. Now, here's our J-corner. It's just a sheet metal corner, specially designed. It can be bent for an inside corner or an outside corner. We're just going to snap our corners on. Fully adjustable to any angle. It doesn't matter how close the stake is to the corner will slide right over the clip. We're going to put a couple of screws in these. You don't have to run your screw all the way in. It's just to hold the wood in place so you don't get any movement left or right. Everything's tight. Nothing's going to move. Now let's say we've got our form set and we've determined that our elevation is wrong. We need more slope for runoff for a patio or a sidewalk. All we need to do is lift the entire form to whatever elevation we need and raise our J-Klipz to support the form. Oh, that one bit in too hard. And we're still solid. You've got nice clean corners to finish too. Inside, all these clips are phosphate coated to avoid bonding to the concrete. We've just adjusted the elevation without pulling any nails or tearing the form apart. Once again, one person just adjusted the entire elevation on this slab. It's just that simple.